Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Gain Explains Mental Maths Tutorials.
Houston, we have a problem.
What is a quarter of 96?
Anyone? 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 Anyone?
Finding a quarter of something means dividing it by 4. However, doing division calculations in your head can be difficult, especially if there are lots of remainders to juggle with. Instead, I'd suggest you use a strategy I call quartering. Quartering works on the understanding that a quarter is half a half. What do we mean by this? Well, just as a whole can be split into 2 equal parts to create a half, splitting a half into 2 equal parts creates a quarter. Let's apply this concept to our problem. In our question, the whole amount is 96. We can find half of this by dividing it equally into 2 parts. So half of 96 is 48. Now to find a quarter, we simply half this amount. Half of 48 is 24. So a quarter of 96 is 24. We got there by halving the amount we were sharing and then halving it again.
Very effective, my dear Watson.
Let's try another question. Find a quarter of 112. So the whole amount is 112. Half of 112 is 56. Half of 56 is 28. A quarter of 112 is therefore 28. That was easy. So whenever you need to find a quarter of a number, half it and then half it again. Time to do some independent practice. Pause the video, pick your level, and start doing some mental maths magic.